My name's Mateo. I'm an animal control officer. What I'm going to do is show you guys how to do a second video on replacement of a catch-all control pole. What we have here is a catch-all, 7 foot to 9 foot. It's extendable. This is good for getting stuff at long distances. But one of the biggest problems with any tool you use is eventually it starts to wear out. This problem that we have is it does not spring anymore. And one of the reasons it doesn't spring anymore is because of active use. And you can see where it's been chewed up, the coated plastic, and it prevents it from the spring actually using. The head's also pretty locked into place. So what we're going to do is we're going to disassemble it and we're going to put it back together. So come with me.
It was crazy. I got flipped over it and people have been saying that they've down in life and hope it wasn't falling through that. They got a couple that look interesting and they don't have their little family discussion. I'm glad to get the tape out of here this morning.
Spring.
Yep, it just twists completely on. Okay, good. Okay, so what we want to do, so we've got it all the way fed. We're going to make sure this thing is hooked back in. And we're going to just insert. So what we did is we just replaced the cable on this. Before it would not open up. Now it does open. So this is a catch-all control pole. It is extending, so you can get some extra lengths out of it depending on if you got something in a sewer or open a tree, or what we had one time is we had a bunny that was trapped between a shed and a building, and it was only about it was a half a foot wide, and we were not able to get close enough to it. So what we had to do is we had to duct tape 2 control poles together and then be able to use it to push the animal forward to get it out. This prevents it. This is a really good tool to actually have, but only if it works properly.